Okay, Lucas, imagine this. You're very sick.
Oh no, I hate being sick. Like, my head hurts.
Exactly. Your head hurts, you have a fever.
Mm-hmm.
So you go to buy medicine, but it's the hardest thing ever.
Wait, what? Hard? You just, buy it.
No. Welcome to the pharmacy. It is very confusing.
Oh, right, the pharmacy, the medicine store.
Yes, and welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. But wait, Luna, why is the pharmacy hard?
Because there are so many boxes. Red boxes, blue boxes. Oh yeah, like hundreds. And big words. Words you can't even say.
True. I just look at the colors.
Right. That is our problem today. Buying medicine in English is scary.
Super scary. I just want to, go to sleep, not read a book.
Exactly. So today, we will make it easy. Very easy.
Sweet. So where do we start?
First word. The most important word. Prescription.
Prescription?
Yes, prescription. It's a big word.
Sounds like, I don't know, a robot?
No. Think of it like a VIP ticket.
A VIP ticket? For medicine?
Yes, only for you from your doctor.
Oh, like the little paper the doctor gives you.
Exactly, Lucas. The doctor writes on the paper. Or, well, they send it on the computer now.
Right. So the prescription is the paper.
Yes, it tells the pharmacy exactly what you need. You cannot buy this medicine without it.
Wait, I can't just take it from the shelf?
Nope, it's locked away, like behind a big wall.
Oh, wow. So it's strong medicine.
Very strong. So you go to the desk and you talk to the pharmacist.
The pharmacist. The medicine boss.
The medicine boss, yes, the person who works there.
Okay, so I give the boss my VIP ticket, my prescription.
Perfect. You say, "Hi, I have a prescription for Lucas."
Hi, I have a prescription. That's easy.
It is. But wait, what if you don't go to the doctor?
Oh, like my head just hurts a little bit.
Yeah, you just want simple medicine.
Then I don't have the VIP ticket. I don't have a prescription.
Right, so you buy it from the shelf. We call this over the counter.
Over the counter. Wait, I don't get it. Over?
Yeah, it's a weird phrase.
Like I jump over the table?
No, please don't jump in the pharmacy.
Okay, no jumping.
Over the counter just means anyone can buy it. No doctor paper needed.
Oh, now I get it. So like simple pills for a headache.
Exactly. Or, cough drops, stuff like that.
Got it. So we have two things, prescription and over-the-counter.
You are learning fast, Lucas.
Well, I'm a smart guy. Sometimes.
Sometimes. But okay, let's say you are looking at the shelf.
Looking at the shelf. Lots of boxes.
Right. You have a bad cough.
Oh, bless you.
I'm just acting. But how do you ask for help?
I say, help me, I'm dying.
No, Lucas. Please don't say that.
Why not? It is true. I feel very sick.
Because they will, call an ambulance.
Oh, right. Good point. So what do I say?
You can say, do you have anything for a cough?
Do you have anything for a cough?
Exactly. It is a very good phrase. Do you have anything for, and then the problem?
So wait, do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, correct.
Do you have anything for a bad day?
No, they don't sell medicine for that.
Oh man, too bad.
Let's practice. I am the pharmacist.
Okay. Hello, Pharmacist Luna.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Do you have anything for my stomach? It hurts.
Yes, we do. You can say, do you have anything for a stomach ache?
Stomach ache. Stomach ache.
Right. Ache just means pain.
Like head ache. Headache.
Exactly. Or backache, toothache.
Wow, ache is everywhere.
Yeah, our bodies hurt a lot.
So wait, I say the phrase, then what?
The pharmacist will show you the medicine.
And I just buy it?
Well, maybe they will ask a question, like, is it for an adult or a child?
Oh, Adult means big person, child means small person.
Yes, because the medicine is different.
Okay, it is for me, a very big adult.
Very big, sure. So you say, it is for me.
Easy. It is for me.
And then they give you the box.
But what if I don't know how to take it?
Oh, great question. That is the next important phrase.
I need to know. I don't want to eat the whole box.
Please do not eat the box.
No, I mean all the pills inside the box.
Right. So you ask, how often should I take this?
How often should I take this?
Perfect. How often? It means when do I eat the medicine?
Like 1 time? 2 times?
Yes. The pharmacist might say, take 2 pills every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours. Okay, I understand.
Or they might say, take 1 pill with food.
Wait, with food? Why?
Because some medicine makes your stomach sick if it is empty.
Oh, like a grumpy waiter. If you don't feed him, he gets mad.
Yes, exactly. Your stomach is a grumpy waiter.
I like that. I am a genius.
You are okay, so let's review. First phrase.
Help me. I'm dying.
Lucas.
Kidding. I'm kidding. Do you have anything for...
Yes, good. Next phrase.
How often should I take this?
Amazing. You sound like a real English speaker now.
I feel very smart today. What else do I need to know?
Well, there is one more big thing. Side effects.
Side what? Side effects. That sounds scary. I mean, side effects? Is that like a bad thing?
Well, yeah. Sometimes medicine makes you feel different. Not just better, but like sleepy.
Oh, like when I take the red pill and I just sleep all day?
Exactly, Lucas. The red pill. That is a side effect. Sleepy.
Right. So how do I ask about that? At the pharmacy, I mean.
You say, are there any side effects? Very simple.
Are there any side effects?
Perfect. And the pharmacist might say, it makes you drowsy.
Drowsy. Wait, what is drowsy? Is that sick?
No. Drowsy means sleepy, like you want to close your eyes.
Oh, like me after eating a big pizza.
Yes, a big pizza makes you drowsy, so do not drive.
Do not drive the pizza? Wait, no.
No, do not drive your car if you are drowsy.
Ah, got it. It makes you drowsy. Good to know.
They might also say, take with food.
Take with food. Because why? It tastes bad?
No, because it can hurt your stomach. It can give you a stomachache.
Oh, wow. Okay, so eat a sandwich, then take the pill.
Exactly. You need food inside you first, like a little pillow for the medicine.
A pillow for the medicine. I love that. So cute.
Right? So let's practice everything, the whole thing.
Oh boy, a test. I am ready, I think.
I am the pharmacist. You are the sick person. Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, we have these white pills.
Great. How often should I take this?
Take 2 pills every 4 hours.
Okay. And wait, what was the last one? Are there
You can do it. Are there?
any side effects?
Yes, they might make you drowsy, so take them before bed.
Wow, I did it. I am a pharmacy expert.
You really are. You did great, Lucas.
I mean, it was scary at first, but these 3 phrases are so easy.
Very easy. Do you have anything for? How often should I take this? And are there any side effects?
I am writing these down, literally right now.
You should. Everyone listening should write them down too.
Yeah, write them on your hand. No, wait, on your phone.
Yes, on your phone. Much cleaner.
So, what is the homework for today, Luna?
The homework is a mental game. I want you to look in your medicine cabinet at home.
The medicine box in the bathroom?
Yes, that box. Look at a bottle and practice asking those 3 questions out loud.
Oh, talk to myself in the bathroom mirror?
Exactly. It builds confidence. Just say, are there any side effects? To the mirror.
That is actually a really good idea. No one is watching.
Right. And tell us in the comments, what medicine did you practice with?
Yeah, did you practice with a headache pill or a foot cream?
Foot cream. Yes, tell us below.
This was so much fun, Luna. I feel not scared of the pharmacy anymore.
I am so happy to hear that. You just needed the right words.
The right words change everything, you know?
They really do. Okay, guys, that is all for today.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to hit the like button.
Yes, please like and subscribe to English Pod Center.
It helps us make more videos for you, and it is totally free.
We love reading your comments. See you in the next episode of English Pod Center.
Bye, guys. Stay healthy. Don't forget your medicine pillow.
Bye.